Hello everyone, welcome to the next session of Power BI with DivK Learner. So in this, we are going to start the complete tutorial and we'll progress one chapter at a time. So again, as we believe in a bit forward daily, so that is what we are going to do. All the things, all the concept that I'm taking is from this particular link, which I'm sharing on my screen. This is from Microsoft, so I'll be covering everything there. From there. So the first thing is Power BI Desktop Report Editor. That's the first thing that we'll be going to talk about. But before we start there, if you're new to our channel, do subscribe to our channel. If you like what we are doing, please share it with the people who get benefit from it. Do like it as well and leave us the comments about the work. So to begin with, we are going to talk about the Power BI uh, desktop report builder, but it is the same or it's very near to the one that you're using in Power BI service. So this is the report view. So this is what we are talking about. We didn't talk about the other views. We'll be talking about that later. But today we'll just talk about the report view. So we are going to talk about different sections of the report view so that you become familiar with them. So the first thing that we are talking about is introduction of Power BI report view editor, use interface layout, understanding the editor pane, customizing visual, data management in the field pane. So these are the topics that we'll be covering. But the first thing is introduction. So purpose of Power BI report editor enables creating and customizing report with interactive visuals. So you can work on different visuals, you can put it in the reports, you can create different kind of connections. That is where it is coming in. Platform availability, it's accessible from both Power BI desktop as well as service. There's a slight difference between them. So once I'm able to make that Power BI service available, which I can share with you, we'll talk about that as well. But today we'll be going to focus only on Power BI desktop. Then key capability. The key capabilities of the Power BI report builder is that it helps design visuals, add interactivity and organize data to build insight reports. So there are different part of it. We have the report area, which is the main area where visual charts are placed. So this particular thing, which we are seeing in this color, is the canvas. The navigation tab found at the bottom allows user to switch between multiple report pages. So we can create different report pages. So these are the different report pages. I can click on plus to create another report page as well. Then toolbar provides option to save, export, and customize visual plus formatting tools. So here on the toolbar, we have various things for saving, export, customize, and various things there that you can do. Then the next thing is filter pane. So if you see here, this is filter pane, this is visualization pane and data pane. Similarly, if you click on any one of those, you will see the field pane as well. So applies and adjusts persistent filter across visuals or individual data points, enables visual selection, chart tables, and optimization. So these are the things, and this is the format part there. So format visual, so you can format it. These are like these are where you can add the visuals and you'll get some of the functionalities or features that you can apply for them. So field pane shows field for report building. Fields are dragged where to create the visual. So from here you can drag and drop the fields as well. Format setting, adjust colors, fonts, background, title, labels to enhance the so this is where the format setting comes in picture. Analytical pane offers advanced option like adding trend lines, reference, and calculated fields for deeper analysis. Not all controls have that analyticals, but some of them do. Then field pane displays table and data fields. Users can drag fields directly from the canvas. So this is where the field pane comes in. Data organization allows sorting, filtering, and data source selection for visual consistency. So we can do that. Supporting data models, integrate data from various sources, enriching report capability. So we have this part here. If you go to the home, we can get data from various different sources. Once we have that there, we can create different kind of connections and data models. So that is where the model view comes in picture for creating connection. This is where the table views comes in picture. That's all that we have here. So thank you. And we will keep on moving further with other things. So we thank you. Thank you for learning with me. Thank you for your time. If you're new to our channel, I'll just request you to subscribe. If you like what I'm doing, please like it and share it with the people who might help, and put some comments there. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.